Are you frustrated with sewing machines that jam at the worst moments? Or skip stitches just when you're getting creative? Finding the perfect sewing machine can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, especially with so many options out there. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's explore the top 5 sewing machines that can handle your creative vision with ease. Be sure to check the description below for links to all these sewing machines. Ready? Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Brother CS7000X sewing machine, a true multitasker's dream. With 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and quilting options, it offers a range of capabilities to suit various sewing projects. The automatic needle threader is a handy feature, though it may take a little practice to master it fully. What really sets this machine apart is its solid construction. The sturdy metal frame and fixed needle bar work together to ensure clean, even stitching lines every time. The spacious workspace makes it perfect for quilting and handling bulkier fabrics. Plus, the included wide table and 10 sewing feet provide the flexibility needed to tackle a wide variety of projects, whether it's quilting, garment making, or crafting. However, no machine is flawless. Some users mention that the tension settings can be tricky to adjust, particularly when working with lighter fabrics. The bobbin winding process could also be smoother, and the plastic components, while functional, might raise concerns about the machine's long-term durability. On the positive side, the clear instructions make it beginner-friendly, and the machine performs well on a variety of materials. Its lightweight design is great for portability, but it might not feel as stable for heavy-duty projects. Overall, for the price, it's a solid choice that offers great value. Just be ready to tweak the settings a little to achieve consistently great results. Taking 4th place is the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960, a sewing powerhouse loaded with exciting features. With 600 built-in stitches and an impressive 1,172 stitch applications, this machine provides unmatched versatility for all kinds of projects. Additionally, the 19 presser feet make it easy to tackle everything from quilting to intricate decorative stitching. What makes it stand out? The automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin system ensure setup is smooth and hassle-free. If customization is your thing, you'll love the 13 buttonhole styles, built-in lettering, adjustable speed control, and the convenient start-stop button. The extension table adds extra space for larger projects, while the bright LED lighting ensures you can clearly see every detail as you work. That said, no machine is flawless. The thread cutter can sometimes be inconsistent, leaving threads longer than you'd prefer. Beginners might also find the computerized system a bit overwhelming at first, and there are occasional tension issues when switching between fabrics. While it boasts a top speed of 850 stitches per minute, making it impressively fast, it can get quite loud at higher speeds. Despite being packed with features that rival premium models, the plastic components and occasional glitches might raise concerns for some users. However, given its price, it's a fantastic option for those ready to explore its advanced capabilities. At number 3, we have the Janome Derby Compact Sewing Machine, a lightweight, no-fuss option that's perfect for beginners or simple projects. With 12 built-in stitches and 2 needle positions, this machine focuses on the essentials to get the job done without overwhelming you with unnecessary features. The free arm design and built-in accessory storage make it incredibly convenient to use, while the clear threading diagrams and top drop-in bobbin system take the guesswork out of setup. The presser foot comes with a finger guard, adding an extra layer of safety, especially for younger or newer sewists. Weighing just 5 pounds, it's compact, portable, and ideal for tight spaces where larger machines might not fit. That being said, the Janome Derby isn't without its drawbacks. The stitch options are limited compared to more advanced models, and its small size means there's less room for larger projects. The motor can struggle with thicker fabrics or multiple layers, making it best suited for lightweight materials. Some beginners report that adjusting the tension can be tricky, and the lightweight build may affect its stability during use. The bobbin system occasionally causes loose stitches, which may need frequent tweaking for consistent results. If you're in need of a machine for basic alterations or quick fixes, this model is a great match. However, for more advanced sewing projects, you might feel a bit limited by its capabilities. What do you think? Does simplicity and portability win out for you? Let me know in the comments below. Taking second place, we have the Brother HC1850, a fantastic blend of features and ease of use. With 185 built-in stitches and a handy LCD screen for easy selection, this machine focuses on convenience and accessibility. The advanced needle threader and drop-in bobbin system make setup quick and easy, although they may require a little adjustment from time to time to get everything just right. What's truly exciting about the HC1850 is its versatility. Whether you're sewing or quilting, it's ready for whatever project you have in mind. The wide table provides great support for larger projects, and with 8 included feet, you'll have everything you need to tackle most common tasks. Plus, the instructional DVD makes it easy to get up to speed with all its features, so you can hit the ground running. However, like any machine, there are a few things to consider. The automatic needle threader can sometimes be temperamental, especially with frequent use. While the lightweight plastic components make it portable, they raise concerns about the machine's long-term durability. Additionally, some users have noticed inconsistent stitch quality, particularly on thinner fabrics. For everyday tasks, from simple repairs to quilting, this machine performs well. The stitch selection process is intuitive, but a larger LCD screen would definitely enhance visibility. Overall, it offers great value, especially for intermediate sewists who want more than just the basics without splurging on high-end models. Coming in at number 1, the Brother XR9550 sewing machine is hands down the best sewing machine out there, offering the perfect mix of functionality and reliability. With 165 built-in stitches, including 110 utility and decorative options, this machine can handle all kinds of projects without overwhelming you with unnecessary features. What's amazing about the XR9550 is the automatic needle threader, which works seamlessly, unlike other machines that can leave you frustrated. The jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system keeps the tension steady, though you'll want to keep an eye on it when working with specialty fabrics. The LCD interface makes choosing your stitch patterns quick and intuitive. No more guesswork. The wide table and 8 sewing feet add so much versatility, and the machine maintains consistent stitch quality across everything from delicate silks to sturdy denim. Plus, even at higher speeds, it stays surprisingly quiet, perfect for a peaceful sewing session. Of course, no machine is flawless. The built-in light could be a little brighter, and the maximum speed isn't as fast as some models. The manual could do a better job explaining some of the advanced features, and the buttonhole process takes a bit of practice to master. But here's the thing. The XR9550 delivers reliable performance without the unnecessary frills. It strikes the perfect balance between advanced features and usability, making it a great option for both beginners and seasoned sewists alike. What's your experience with the Brother XR9550? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement guides. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!